So I was heading out to California, and winter was hanging on forever in Missouri. And unfortunately, I didn't have the time to drive old girl all the way out there, unfortunately. So I've been doing this a little bit more often lately. When I go on a trip, I like to rent a neat car, like a muscle car or a Jeep or something cool, And it's getting a lot easier to do. Some of the rental car companies are offering them. And you have like Turo and all these car sharing services. So it's something really neat, and I think it adds to the trip. So let's cruise the desert. So I'm out on my spring California trip this year, and I got this Dodge Challenger RT 5.7 Hemi. I think it's an 18, maybe a 17, but got the black wheels on it, leather, XM, the Alpine system. I like this car. I rented one a while back. I've got a video of it, an exhaust sound video on my channel, on both my channels. But they had this one available, so I snatched it up, and I'm just having a great time with it in San Diego and out here in the desert. Be careful filming while driving. You can see there's some cliff edges here. What a road. S22, Montezuma Valley, going into Borrego Springs. I've got another video I did of it in May, I think, of 2016 on Island of Trees. What a day to be out on the road in the California mountains. Wow. What a neat car, man. This thing just sounds unbelievable.